Well, we see some cross trade here in the 52s. We're right with the linear progression of the day. It's definitely making lower lows, so we want to keep tight stops if we do scalp these 1 points. We're going to take the 52 and a quarters here. We see the cross trade, but we're still pushing a little lower. We have a negative 32.63 delta. We might be on the wrong side of this trade. We're going to better our position here and take the 50-50s. And we're going to give back the 52.25s at the first opportunity. We see cross activity here, 38.21, 3, 12, 15.22. We are building negative volume though, so we want to keep a tight stop. We're trying to get back to 52 and a quarter to get out of our original position of break even, holding the 50-50s. We'll get out of one of the 50-50s at 52 and a quarter also. And we'll set the target on the second offset of our second trade, 5 points above our entry at 50-50, which would be 51.50, 55.50. We clicked 52, but we didn't get filled at 52 and a quarter yet. We're looking to offset our original 52 and a quarter, so we'll sell 3 at 52 and a quarter, the original 2 plus 1 of the 50-50s. We now have a significant range of about 30 plus points. We should have a bounce down here somewhere. Unfortunately, I'm at a disadvantage. I probably shouldn't be buying any of these lows because we don't have any reference points. But we're just trying to watch cross trade here. Our break for even on all 4 contracts is 51. You know, average our 52 and a quarters and our 50-50s gives us about a 51 average. So that's always good to know in case you wanted to just liquidate all the positions. Okay, we never clicked 52 and a quarter here. We're trying to wait patiently here at the low of the F period for the 52-50s. 52 and a quarters, excuse me. Alright, there we have the 52.50 fill, so we put a hard stop in now, we have our 52.25 fill, so we put our hard stop now in at 50.50. I'm not seeing clearly here, was our original entry. So we broke even on our original 2 contracts, entered at 52 and a quarter. We got rid of those at 52 and a quarter minus 2 commissions. And we held on to one of our 50-50s, which we're looking for our exit at 55.50. And we liquidated one of our 50-50s at 52 and a quarter for 1 3/4 points. Now we're looking for an additional 5 points on this second contract. Our stop is hard at 50.50. Trading these trend type of days is challenging because there's limited opportunity on retracements. We have yet found a retracement to actually get short. We need a retracement at least back to the volume cluster up around the 1363s to feel comfortable going short this market. But right now we have been making lower lows and lower volume clusters and so on and so forth. So I think it's obvious that we are in a trend day. So when we scalp these bottoms, we need to be very careful where our stop is being hard. We don't want to take our positions lower for no particular reason. You can usually catch 1 1/4 or 2 point bounce. Even in this case, we might catch a 6 point trade from the bottom. The reason we looked for the cross trade here, we saw the accumulation of volume in that 12-10 column in that E period column, in the F period column. Significant volume here, but the market just couldn't really push much lower. And of course, we saw the retest here on hardly anything. That gave us the opportunity to get a nice little pop here. Hopefully we can get up to 55.50 and get our fill. But if we will be selling rallies today primarily. That's our goal, not trying to scalp the bottoms as we did the last 3 times. So let's see if we can't get our 55.50 fill. Well, we're listening to Helicopter Band. We're just one tick away from our 55.50 fill. If we get this, we're going to take a break and eat a late breakfast. We didn't get to bed till late on the Eastern Standard Time, about 2:30 in the morning. So there's our 55.50 tick. One more push up and we should get filled here at 55.50. We're right in the little volume cluster, 2 TPO area of the E and the F period. Come on, 55.50. Nothing on the bid at 55.50. We need to get a bid fill here. Trying to be patient. Trying to be patient. Okay, we're running out of patience. We're going to take the 55s and make the video and eat lunch.